Good afternoon. This is Tom Aspray with the PA Stock Alert Stocks in the News for Thursday, November 11th. Well, Disney really shocked the market as its earnings were released a bit early, some sort of technological glitch, and you can see the wide range in today with a high of 37.39 and a low of 35.15. All the heavy selling came in the last half an hour, about 24 million shares. The initial pivot support was at 35.24, just a bit above the day's lows. However, there's much more important chart support and a retest of the trend line at 34.62 and then at 34.18. There's monthly pivot support in the 34 area along with a 200-day moving average. The longer term trend line support currently as right around 33. The unbalanced volume has dropped back below its moving average. You can see the heavy volume spike here, but we think this selling was likely overdone as the market was looking for any excuse to sell. We would expect to see some backing and filling here for at least a couple of days between about 34.60 and 35.60 before Disney can try to move higher. We would not be surprised to see Disney making new highs in the next several weeks. This 15-minute chart shows you why the selling was so extreme. Is that between 3:30 and 3:45 there are about 14 million shares, and between 3:45 and 4 another 10 million. You can see this on the 15-minute chart. This was sort of dumping of a stock and stop loss selling, which I don't expect to last. Another stock in the news was CSCO. This is a weekly chart of CSCO showing the wide range bar so far this week. Another earnings story here, as it was hit hard after hours last night and the selling continued today. Volume was also extremely heavy on a weekly basis, the highest volume since early 2008. Technically, this certainly did some damage, though there is some important support in the $20 area, actually between about 1982 and 2020. You can see that the major 61.8% support of the rally from the March 09 lows comes in at 19. We would not want to see it close below this level, though clearly with this week's actions it's going to take some time for CSCO to repair the technical damage, and would stand aside this one for now. And now for some thoughts on the overall market and how you can get a copy of our special research report. Here's John Person.
I believe, as does my partner at PA Stock Alerts, Tom Aspray, that this market will be a buy on a healthy correction, and we're looking for 3 to 5%. We wrote an article. You can feel free to come to the website. It's pastockalerts.com, and it's under the research section, and it's free to all visitors. I encourage you to go to PA Stock Alerts because, quite frankly, the website has a lot of great articles. It's incredible with the amount of wealth, very powerful information there, something that most people would not normally see on any given website. We give out specific stock recommendations, number one, with entries as well as our stops. This is not an options with high leverage. This is just a stock pickers website that gives us the availability of looking at the right sectors and the right stocks in those sectors. We choose stocks, to be honest with you, from strong seasonal percentage plays, tone type environment. We believe that we're going to probably see a correction, and this is going to give us some excellent buying opportunities in various sectors. So I wanted to invite you, to look at some of the research that we've put out at PA Stock Alerts, and also to let you know where you can find the articles. Again, it's PA Stock Alerts, and I'll just show you a quick website here, a shortened version, because we don't have a lot of real estate here. But I'll go through the website briefly. Again, it's pastockalerts.com, www.pastockalerts.com. And if you scroll over to the right-hand side, you'll see research. And under that research tab, you will see a great article as we go through what the stock market's doing from the Dow, looking at what the Commitment of Traders report and what that means for the marketplace. In addition, you can read about our Dow theory that we wrote about over the weekend, looking at the transportation index, looking at the utility index, all the way down to talking about our advanced decline lines, looking at Tom's internal indicators. And so this is a very powerful article that I think all traders should be looking at who are watching this, to come to pastockalerts.com and register for a free trial. This is John Person. I hope this information finds you helpful. Thank you, and happy and good prosperous trading to you all.